Welcome to a brand new season of the Vanilla Ice Project. So get in where you fit in and check us out on DIY. Hey guys, Vanilla Ice here. We're on set of the Vanilla Ice Project Season 7. Got my man Alan from South Africa. He's gonna give us a little ice advice. So he's walked the project and he's marinated, and I want to pick his brain for some good ideas.
Rob, you guys are already doing an amazing job turning around a complex project like this in just 6 months. So what I started looking at was, are there any other opportunities that you might be missing out to squash the lead time even further, maybe another month or two? Is that two things: is never let the crew start without having a full kit. Make sure that everything is on site and then schedule them to start that task. And the second one is make sure that the guys are not multitasking, trying to do too many things at the same time. I think those are two big opportunities in terms of squashing the lead time even further.
I love it. You see that? Now that's how you can take it and you make everybody more efficient. Helps save time and helps save money. So great advice, brother.
Awesome.
I appreciate that.
Thank you so much.
There you go, a little ice advice all the way from South Africa.